how to change your name on IG. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change your name on IG, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to change your name on IG, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch Instagram app, you will see this type of interface. Come to the profile icon from the bottom right. Now go to the edit profile button. There are two types of name. The first is a name, and this is a generic name. It cannot be unique to you. It can be of anybody else's. You can enter any name. It doesn't really make a difference. The other is a username. The username is unique to each account. So once you have a certain username, other people won't be able to use it. If other people have used that username, you will not be able to use it. So that's the thing with the username. So if you want to change the name, enter the name and just hit the arrow button. Now once you change your main display name, you will not be able to change it for 7 days, which means twice within 14 days. The other is a username. Once you change your username, you will not be able to change it for 2 weeks, which means another 14 days. So that's something you want to keep in mind. Hit the arrow button to change your name. This way you can go ahead and then change your name on IG. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.